Welcome! In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to enable vibration for browser notifications in Google Chrome. This feature can enhance your browsing experience by ensuring you don't miss important alerts. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once the browser is open, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of the window. This is the menu button. Next, click on the three dots. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize many aspects of your browsing experience. Now that you're in the settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy and Security. Under this section, click on Site Settings. This is where you can manage permissions for different websites, including notifications. Once you're in Site Settings, look for Notifications. Click on it to enter the Notification Settings page. Here, you will see options related to how notifications are handled in your browser. To enable vibration for notifications, you need to ensure that vibration is allowed. Look for an option that says Enable Vibration or similar wording. If it's not already enabled, toggle it to allow vibrations when notifications come through. Finally, make sure to test if everything is working correctly. You can do this by visiting a website that sends notifications and checking if you receive a notification with vibration enabled. By following these simple steps, opening Chrome, accessing settings through the three dots, navigating to notifications, and enabling vibration, you'll ensure that you stay updated with alerts in an engaging way. Enjoy your enhanced browsing experience.